In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to check if someone else is accessing your Facebook account. If you're concerned that someone might be accessing your account without your permission, follow these simple steps to check if there are any unauthorized logins and active sessions on your Facebook account. Visit the Facebook website and log in with your account using your credentials. Click on your profile icon located at the upper right corner of the screen to open the drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings. In the left panel, click on Password and Security. Next, scroll down to the Where You're Logged In section. Here, you'll find a list of all devices and locations currently authorized to access your account. Check for any devices or locations that you don't recognize, and if you notice any unfamiliar devices or locations, it could indicate unauthorized access to your account. If you see notifications about unrecognized logins, click on Review Devices for more details. You can also select your Facebook profile and check the Logins on Other Devices section for additional information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.